Good morning, guys and girls. Good morning. It is Saturday, August 3rd, 8:42 a.m. I have a nice surprise, a nice unboxing surprise, a nice unboxing and installation surprise for you guys today. I had the package since Monday, so obviously I unboxed it because I couldn't wait. I was so anxious to look at it. Brand new. It's gonna be a good one. It's gonna be a good video. I tell you that. It's gonna be a good video, and it's been 2 years too long for this. I'm so excited. A sneak peek, I guess. Shit, why not? I don't know if you guys can see that or not. I got a nice BC Racing box back there. Shout out to the guys at BC Racing. Shout out to Chris for building them for me. Shout out to BMP Tuning. Very great guys at both companies. So I can't wait, guys. I'm excited for this. I'm on my way to work now. I had to finish up some work on a car. So as soon as I'm done with that, we're gonna jump right on this car. Well, we're gonna jump right into the unboxing and then jump right into the installation. So with that said, I'll see you guys then. Let's go. All right, let's go a little just further in depth. I already showed you guys the end link. I just showed you guys this coilover, and I just put it back in the box. But let's see. Okay, we got the rear springs with the coilover adjustment. I think that's all that's in there. Yeah, the spring with the adjustment, and then we have the rear shock. Let's see, we got the spanner wrenches, and then our dampening adjustment screws. So boys and girls, we about to be set today. Oh my god, this is gonna be great. Can't wait for the outcome. Alright guys, so I took this side off. So far what you're gonna wanna do is there's an 18 right here, there's an 18 here, there's a 13 here. Take those three out. This will drop. Disconnect your leveling sensor back here so you don't break that. And then there's two 16s up here to the struts. Take those two out. Boom, it comes out. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put the new strut in, the BC strut in, and I'm gonna put the BC spring with the adjusters on it, and then I'll come right back. All right guys, so we got this side together. Bro, this shit's, I don't know how good you guys can tell, but so far this shit's dumped on both sides, and the camber is just ridiculous by looking at it at a certain angle. Like, I don't know if you guys can tell or not, but it's definitely cambered out. I didn't adjust it. I guess they already come pre-adjusted. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna do all of them, leave everything loose though. So I have everything in on both of the rears. I have everything in there. So what I'm gonna do is put everything back together, leave everything loose for now, and then put it on the ground and then adjust it and see where the height's at and then adjust it from there. But so far, both of the rears are done. Working on the front right now, working on the left front right now, and then we gotta do the right front. But I mean, it took a little while, but so far it's getting there. So far so good, it's getting there. I already adjusted my dampening. I set it right in the middle, so it's 30 click. It's 30 click dampening. I have it on 15, which is right in the middle for both sides. So yeah, I'm gonna get this one out, and then I'll see you guys from there. So guys, update. We got this side in there all nice and mighty. Same thing with the rear. These are already like preset. They already preset them. So I'm just gonna leave like everything loose, like I did the rear, like I said I was gonna do. And then check the alignment after, or check the fitment after. But so far so good. I mean, we had to beat the fuck out the knuckle for no reason. So what you're gonna wanna do, guys, don't don't be me and hammer the shit out your aluminum knuckle. All right, please. I'm learning the hard way. What you're gonna want to do is take these axle screws out. It's 6 of them. It's 6 of those screws. They are a size 12 point. They are a size, I think, 10, size 10, 12 point to take the axle screws out. So once you take those axle screws out, I did that. I took the tie rod off, and then once you do that, you should have enough space clearance to bring the shock or the strut out of the knuckle. So I mean, like I said, it's been a little fighting with it, but I mean, so far so good. Got one more to go. Then we can check this alignment, check the fitment. All right, guys. Well, it's it's the next day, Sunday. So recap yesterday. You guys see me unbox the coils to you, and you see me install the coils. Now, it took me way longer than I had expected to or intended to. I was thinking I would got it done by like 4 o'clock, but no, it was like 8 o'clock, 8:30 when I was truly done with the car. And yeah, so my timing was just a little off. But yeah, it's the next day, Sunday. I'm currently about to go try and find a spot, a nice little spot, and then I can show you guys how the car looked. I will say this: the rear is dumped. It's way lower than I would like it to be. You guys heard that? But I mean, I'm not gonna lie, I do like it though, but it's just not me. It's a little too low for my preference, so I'm gonna raise the rear up just a bit. Not today though. But the fronts though are perfect. So I'm gonna go find a nice little spot real quick, and I'll show you guys. All right, guys, found me my nice little usual spot behind Kmart. So we're here. I'm looking at it, guys. Like, words cannot express how excited I am and how happy I am right now. But like, I fell in love with my car 10 times more now, and I'm so happy. Like, it looks great, it rides great. All right, I guess without further ado, I'll fucking show you guys the car. all right, guys, there you have it. Let me know what you guys think. Should I raise it? Should I lower it some more? Should I keep it the same? Let me know what you guys think. But to be honest, by the time you guys see this video, I'd already raised it in half an inch. So yeah, but still, I want to know what you guys think. So let me know. Drop that comment below. So yeah, I mean, the car ride's good. It rides great. It rides great. I'm hearing some I do hear some noise though, a little bit of noise. I need to check. So that'll be real soon. I need to check it like ASAP though. But it's gonna be real soon. Next we have to do a few maintenance things. Oh, we got one big thing coming up too. So that'll be in the next video. The maintenance things and the next big thing will be in the next video. So be on the lookout for that real soon. And I promise you guys it'll be good. It'll be good. So be on the lookout for that. Like, comment, subscribe, share. See you guys in the next one for the big one. And blah 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 blah. And let's do it. We're gonna do some big things. See you guys in the next one.